Okay, so we're gonna... Well, I guess that answered my question. There we go. Oh, look at how perfect that cut is. Look at that, look at that. Oh, that's so perfect. This one just had the top chopped off. It's hard to get up this place.
Ethan, that's like sister logic. It should be a shame.
Oh, yes.
Sister logic. What it sounds like.
Okay, I'm gonna run this way. I'm gonna plug it in. You could start recording if you want.
Oh, you even gave it a backskin.
Yep. Yeah! We were so close.
We were not even close at all.
No, it almost flew.
Dude, that was controlled fall.
You'll face
Okay, that's actually not bad. Oh! Boom! Okay, that's actually not bad. Oh! Boomer! Dude, that thing's a foobar.
Is it dead?
Probably.
Yeah, it's dead.
Nice. Foobarred it.
Mega oof.
Mega foobar.
Mega oof.
You know what foobar means?
None of the electronics are dead though. Okay, that's
Oh,
good.
you broke the prop. Nice.
Hold.
Is that battery?
All right.
This is battery. Battery's fine. ESC is fine. Motor is fine. Everything appears to be fine. Except for the propeller. Propeller's totaled.
It's foobar. Total foobar.
Look at this though. Oh, look.
It's like your duck. It's like your duck that wags its tail.
Yes. Look. The PETG part is completely intact. This entire piece is one 3D printed part. It's completely intact. The wings, actually, they're also held on by another one of these. That's also completely intact. I just want to say that my structural pieces,
It's
they
almost
survive.
like PETG is strong.
Wow. That's its purpose.
Also,
This is dead. I have to fix that. Yeah, that might be part of the reason. I probably lost control. Okay, so this video. This is the first test that we have, the first official test of the airplane. You can see when I throw it, something hits it right there. Let's slow that down. Look. Look at what the airplane does. I throw it. It's going. It's going. And then something happens between here and here that tilts it. If you look at the rudder and the aileron, they don't actually change their position at all. If anything, they're trying to cancel it out. Right? So that means it must have been wind or something inside of the airplane actually shifting that caused this to happen. And then it crashes. If we go back to this video, you can see the exact same thing again. I throw the airplane, it's good for a few seconds, and then something happens. It loses a ton of altitude and falls and hits the ground. Let's look at this in slow. Actually, I think I can just slow this down, never mind. Let's go back. Okay, throw the airplane. It's going. It's going. Either I pull the aileron to the rudder too high, or something happens right there, and it takes on a ton of altitude. It stalls, and then instantly starts falling down. Very similar to what happened in the first test that I already have on YouTube. You can see it's going, it almost catches itself, and then something hits it at this angle again. And look at the rudder. These are trying to cancel it out. These are trying to fix the problem. But nothing. The wind is too strong. Again, it smacks the ground too hard. And my favorite part of the whole video,